Hello everybody. I'm in a group of digital missionaries and the question came up that was based on an article, should AI be brought into the churches? And I started to type the response and I thought, it would be easier to just do this as a video and I could put it on my channel too because it's a good question and a good topic and something I am personally very familiar with. I just went through a training on AI and how to use it better and more efficiently. And here's some things that I think you might find interesting. AI, to be used best, needs to be trained. ChatGPT, which was one of the original, you can actually train it. You can even ask it, what do you need to know from me so I can train you? All the other AIs, including ChatGPT, it's clear and true that the more information you give it, the better the results will be. So no, AI is not something you can just say, tell me about the Bible and that's done, although it will surprise you what it can do. It needs to be fed the basics from you, and then you need to check the output before you put it out in the world. That's my take on it. Is it still amazing? Yes. Can it still save you a tremendous amount of time and work? Yes. Can it make things look better in the end and get more people to view what you're trying to get? Yes. These are my opinions and I've got results to back them up. Here's the last thing I want to tell you, and this I thought was very surprising. As I was training my ChatGPT, I decided to ask it, do you believe Jesus is in you? And he came back, or she, or it, whatever, came back and said, no, of course not. I'm AI. How could Jesus be in me? And I said, well, I believe that Jesus is everywhere and in everything because he's Jesus. And he said, well, I guess you're right. He did talk through a donkey. Have a great day, everyone.